everyone, this is Robin Moses, and I'm going to do a quick marbling a granite tutorial. I posted a picture of nails I did on Guru on Instagram, and you guys loved it. And I've only done it on really long nails before, and so I'm going to do this really quick just so I have it in my beginners playlist. I'm starting this tutorial with a rose colored nail polish. Any kind will do. You don't have to have a thick or a thin one. Doesn't matter how many coats, as long as you really like your base. I'm starting with just a basic rosette, and then I'm going to go in with a darker rose color. So you want something, two polishes that are in the same color category, and then I have a white, which is mostly clear polish, and a drop of white added to it, and then that way it's very, very sheer. So here we go. So with the polish, I'm going to show you that I take it and I scrape off most of it, so I'm almost dry brushing, and then I'm going to go across like this wherever my brush wants to paint. Then every imperfection is going to allow for you to work later. Now I'm opening up the white polish and I'm using my brush, robinmosesnailart.com. It's called the wand. So I go into the polish bottle, which is basically really, really thin. Okay. You could also use really, really thin white paint, but I find that with the polish you have more control. And I'm just going to go and kind of meander lines across the nail. Like that. Now I'm getting a lot of polish on the neck of my brush, and that's not cool. It would be better if you poured this out onto a tile and then went from there, just to keep your brush longer. As you guys know, my brush is kind of getting old, so I'm being a little less careful. Okay, so there's that. You want it to be about like this. Now I have my paints out. These are acrylic paints, and they are made by Apple Barrel, and you can find them at any Walmart. Delta Ceram Coat. You can see all of what I get in my beginners playlist on how to get started. And what I want is a really pretty gray. So I'm gonna mix right in here. Okay. And you want it nice and thin. The strange thing about my job is that I never know when I'm going to be in the mood to paint, and sometimes we get so distracted with talking that I don't film the clients that will allow me to film, and then I regret it. But it's okay because I can make these now. I set it up to where I can do this. So anything you guys want to see that I'm posting, just type it or just push like so I can make a video real quick. I'm going across and going around and just making, again, meandering the lines across and making little bubbles. Now on some of the nails I just have just a line across. You'll see the photo. That. And then black, this, that, sure, okay. And basically this is just pulling and swirling lines across the nail like that. Now I'm gonna get some clear top coat and mix in some glitter. Oh no. I'm gonna try to. There's that. And this is Wonder Woman glitter by MAC, and it's very expensive, but they have tons of different kinds all over the place now where you can find it. I'm just going to mix in a little bit of top coat to get it nice and yummy. Okay, and then okay, now search your areas where you can really make the glitter stand out, and kind of move it in so that each nail is individually your own. Just highlighting. I'm going to try to get a picture of the set I did on the end of this video, but I'll link you to the long nail version of this and wherever I can help you to get this technique down. Okay, so there's that. I will let, you don't even have to let that dry. I'm going to top coat this with a beautiful juicy, as you can see, I wasn't prepared to make a video, so I'm all over the place, but it's okay. Okay, so there's this, and you drop your polish down, and then you frost it like a wet, hot, warm cake, an icing. That's how you frost the nail. You top coat the nail so that you can protect and seal your art. And then it kind of just blends into this really pretty design. And if you're doing all 10 nails, you really get to have the benefit of having the whole look go across the nail. And so anyway, I will meet you back. Okay, and here it is with the matte top coat. Since I didn't have that on the last one, I figured I would try and give you different perspectives. So for those of your clients who don't like a lot of bling, when you go in with a matte top coat on this type of design, it's a little bit frosty glitter, but it's still beautiful. So anyway, I hope you guys like this and you try it. I'm going to have this in my beginners playlist. It'll be linked at the end of this video with everything you need to know how to get this done. You can do this design on all 10 nails very quickly, very effectively, and for pennies. So anyway, subscribe. I will get back to you with more, and I will see you later. Bye, everybody. Have a great day. Okay, so what I forgot, and I'll just add it into the end, is that with the really thinned down pink, I also went in and kind of highlighted, and that kind of gave it like another dimension. And I was wondering, like, I was looking at my photos and I'm like, why doesn't that look exactly like the photo? And I know I'll get questions if I don't, and that is the reason. See how that pink does? It gives it just another dimension. And that is another reason I want to share hand painting with you, is that once you do it once, it's kind of like you're done. You don't go back and do it twice. You just learn, and then you go to the next one. And you forget, but at the same time you evolve as an artist, and each design comes funner and easier. So like, you would never think that pink is going to do so much for a design, but it really does. And that is what I was missing. So I'm adding this at the end of the video. If you copy, please say inspired by Robin Moses and share the word so I can reach people who want to learn. And thank you for thumbs upping this design on Instagram. I never would have thought to make another design for Granite on shorter nails. So you guys allowed me to more clearly understand what you guys wanted to see. So that helps me. So thank you. And anyways, I will see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye. I'm going to keep going with this. I top coated again with a clear top coat, and it's on my finger so you guys can see that I have a nail on. Look at that. Anyways, when I put it on my fingernail, it shows much better than when I'm painting on a fake hand. So I just want you to see what it looks like from all dimensions, because it fools the eye, and maybe that's why you guys loved it so much on Instagram. I'm not sure, but I'm just letting you guys see it from all dimensions while I'm trying to take a picture of it, which is turning out to be impossible, but it's okay. Whichever. There, see how it changes? But this would, maybe I should try and take a picture like this. You can see it the best. Anyways, I'm going to keep on working to make better videos for you guys so you guys can get the most out of this, because it really is a fun thing to learn and to do, is hand painted nail art. Anyways, I'll see you back with more, and I hope that this helped, because this allows you to really get a look. I try not to, gosh, I just try to do my best. Anyway, all right, I'll see you back with more. Bye.